Will you be a sound detective with me? Great. Take a look around. I have some different letter sounds with me today. Do you recognize any of them? Yeah? Which ones? Yeah, let's take a look at some objects and see if we can match them to the letter sounds. What's this? Yeah, it's a baby goat. And a baby goat is called a kid. Did you know that? Yeah, a kid. So what sound do you hear at the end of kid? Where does it belong? Kid. Kid. With the d. The word kid ends with the d sound. Let's try another one. What's this? Yeah, it's a bus. Where does the bus belong? What sound does bus end with? Bus. With the s, it goes over here with the s sound. The word bus ends with a s. Let's try another one. This is a number. What number is this? 10. 10. What sound do you hear at the end of the number 10? 10. That's right. 10 ends with the n sound. So where does it go? With the n. That's right. Let's try another one. What's this? A mop. What sound do you hear at the end of the word mop? Mop. Mop. P. That's right. Mop ends with the p sound. I have some different letter sounds now. Do you recognize any of these? You do? Which ones? Yeah, I have x, g, t, and n. Let's see if we can find some objects to go with those letter sounds. What's this? A fox. What sound do you hear at the end of the word fox? What sound do you hear at the end of the word fox? X. That's right. It goes over here with the x sound. Let's try another one. What's this? A hat. Hat. What sound is at the end of the word hat? Hat. The t sound. So we'll put it over here with the t. Let's try another one. What's this? A sun. Yeah, sun. What sound do you hear at the end of the word sun? Sun. Sun. N, the n sound. Where is that? There it is. So we'll put the sun, which ends with n, with the n sound. Oh, there's one left. What's this? Yeah, a pig. What sound is at the end of the word pig? Pig. Pig. The g sound. That's right. So we'll put it here with the g. Thanks for helping me be a sound detective for all of these ending sounds. This is a game you can play at home too. I hope you try it. I'll see you soon. Bye.